If you're nearing retirement or already there, there's one critical question that too many people are still ignoring. What happens to your savings if the market crashes again? We've seen it happen before. Stocks plummet, 401ks take a beating, and retirees who thought they were safe suddenly find themselves panicking. And let's be honest, once you're in retirement, there's no catching up. There's no redo. What you've built has to last. That's why a growing number of Americans are taking a portion of their retirement savings and moving it into something real, something that's been trusted for generations. I'm talking about physical gold. But here's the thing, if you're even considering this route, you need to understand how to do it the right way. And it starts with a simple, free step. You can request a free gold IRA kit. No sales pressure, no obligation, just straight up education delivered to your door or inbox. The kit breaks down, in plain language, how gold IRAs work, what the IRS rules are, the tax benefits, and how you can legally move funds from your existing IRA or 401k into a self-directed gold IRA. Most people don't even know that's an option. Here's what surprises most folks. This isn't about putting your whole retirement into gold. It's about diversifying smartly. Gold has historically acted as a hedge during inflation, recessions, and banking instability, and right now, all three are staring us in the face. You've probably heard about major banks warning of a downturn. You've seen inflation eat away at the value of the dollar. And you may have wondered, what can I do to actually protect what I've worked my whole life for? This kit gives you those answers. You'll also learn how to avoid the scams out there. Because let's be honest, not all gold IRA companies are created equal. Some push overpriced coins or free silver gimmicks. Others lock you into confusing fees. This free kit helps you steer clear of all that. And once you go through it, you can book a short, one-on-one educational call. No pressure. Just a quick conversation to see if gold might make sense for your situation. Look, if you have $100,000 or more saved in a retirement account, you owe it to yourself and your family to explore every option to protect it. You worked too hard to build it. And this isn't just about your peace of mind. It's about passing something solid on to the next generation. So take the step. Get your free gold IRA guide and book your no obligation education first call today. No pressure, no sales games. Just real info from real experts to help you make the most informed decision possible.